For nearly 20 years, the India-US civil nuclear deal remained just a promise. But now, that promise is turning into actions. On 26th of March, the US Department of Energy granted regulatory clearance to Holtec International, a US-based nuclear technology firm, to transfer its small modular reactor SMR technology to three Indian companies, which are Holtec Asia, Tata Consulting Engineers Limited, and Larsen & Toubro Limited. This first of its kind authorization opens up new possibilities for nuclear cooperation between India and the US. While this clearance allows Holtec to collaborate with approved private firms, it does not yet cover India's state-run nuclear bodies such as NPCIL, NTPC Limited, and AERB. But why? Because India's government has not yet provided the necessary non-proliferation assurances for these entities. However, Holtec can apply for an amendment in the future. Also, the authorization is valid for 10 years, with a review at the 5-year mark. Holtec must also submit quarterly reports to the US government detailing the technology transfer and its usage in India. So you might ask, why is this a big deal? Well, this authorization removes a major hurdle that has held back nuclear collaboration between India and the US for years. Earlier, US firms could export nuclear equipment to India, but couldn't manufacture components or conduct design work in India. And this was a big concern for India, which wants to build small modular reactors domestically to meet its rising energy needs. And what are these small modular reactors? Well, they are affordable, safer, and faster to build compared to traditional nuclear power plants. This partnership could significantly boost India's clean energy efforts while enhancing its energy security. China is already racing ahead in nuclear energy and aims to dominate the global SMR market. Like India, China sees SMRs as a powerful diplomatic tool, offering them to developing nations under its Belt and Road Initiative. With this new US-India deal, India is finally stepping up. So in a nutshell, if executed effectively, this agreement could A. Transform India's nuclear energy sector, B. Strengthen India-US strategic ties, and C. Position India as a serious competitor to China in the global SMR market. Stay tuned to Business Standard for more such explainers.